Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install React.js. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and to install React.js we have some prerequisites first. So first we have to install the NodeJS and VScode. So I'm going to show you how to install that. So first of all, open the browser, and on your browser type Node.js download. Okay, click on the first site and download the installer from here. And second one is VS Code. Actually VS Code is already installed in my system, so I'm not going to install it, but I will show you how to you can download and install it. So you can download the setup from here. And Node is almost okay. Now we have to open the download folder and double click on the Node.js. Next, accept, next. We don't have to select that. Next, install. Okay, now it is installing. Actually we need Node and npm also. It will come in Node.js. So we are going to install React.js with the npm, with the help of npm. So it is done now. So what we have to do is we have to check whether it is properly installed or not. You can check Node version and npm version both. So as you can see, both are done. So now what we have to do, now we are going to install the React.js. Open your C drive and go to program files, and here you have to create a folder. So right click on and click on new and folder, and give it name first underscore react. Okay, double click on it, and on the path you have to type cmd. So it will open the terminal. Okay, now we have to run some command here. So run the commands as I'm running right now. npm install -g create react app. So it will create the react app. So as you can see, it is downloading the files from the internet now. Okay, it is downloaded. So next we have to check the version. So run the command create app react app and double hyphen on version. So as you can see, it is 5.0. So now we have to create the my app and start. So as you can see, it is creating a new React app in this path. So it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, it is very easy to install it. You can find many ways in internet, but I'm telling you this is the easiest way to install React.js. Right now it is installing the files. We have to wait here. And once it will be installed, then I will show you how to run that. It's also very easy. We are doing it with the help of VS Code. And this installation is also depend on your internet. While it is installing, you can hit the subscribe button below. Thanks. Okay, it could be done any soon. Okay, now it is finally installed. So as you can see, it's also suggesting to how to start it. So we have to click on type cd my app, as you can see, and next line we have to type npm start. See, your npm react script start now. So we can verify it, and also you have to allow the access. I have allowed the access, and open the VS Code now. Okay, it is open. Go to file and open folder. Here go to C drive. Program files, and the folder which I have created earlier, it's first React. Yes, this one. Open, select that folder, and you have to trust the author of this file. Check the box, and yes, I trust the author to the file. So see, your files are now, you can access the files, all the files in the React.js. So see how easy it is to install React.js and to access it through the VS Code. So I hope you guys like the video, and thank you for watching, and please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.